Here we have a 2021 Bayliner 180 Element. The seller estimates about 25 hours on the motor in the boat. Does not have an actual hour meter, but it's pretty new. Got a 90 horse Mercury 4-stroke outboard on the back, 4-blade aluminum prop. Nice ladder with a grab handle to get in the boat, which we're going to do here. Ski tow bar. The back here has filler cushions in, so you could take those middle cushions out and, you know, sit with your back against the back rests and put your feet down if you want. Or somebody could sunbathe or lounge. It is rated for 9 passengers. Big speedo there. 2 seats over here. Nice big bow area. I really like this cushion here. If you're short, you can put that, snap that on, and it'll get you closer to the steering wheel. If you have long legs, you can unsnap that, throw it under a seat. Room to put your feet. It's really comfortable resting your feet up there while you're driving. Full cockpit cover. Nice tall bimini top. Great boat. We do offer financing here at SkipperBud's. Give us a call on this one.